Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can adjust your Acer monitor setting. Now it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, to get started, you want to navigate through the OSD controls. That's going to be the on-screen display setting, and most likely it's going to be a button behind your monitor. So it's at the edge right here. And if you're using a different model, it's going to be below the actual monitor right here. So just go ahead and click one of these buttons. Now, on the newer models out there, it's going to be a joystick. And basically, the joystick will control up, side, down, and to confirm a specific choice, you could just go ahead and press the joystick itself. So what will happen is that after pressing this button, the OSD will show up, which will then look something like this, on which you can adjust the colors, the picture, audio, gaming, and many more. So if you want to confirm once again this certain selections, just press the joystick once. So in here, we have our controls, and from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.